welcome back to my studio. Welcome to Friday with Friends, Challenge or Be Challenged. So we have something new we're starting. You might have heard that in the previous video from our special guest, Kristy Conley from Kreations by Kristy. So what we're doing is we are inviting a special guest each week and we're asking them, do you want to challenge us or do you want us to challenge you? So this week, our team is challenging Kristy to a pour. This week's challenge, the dustpan pour. With a little hitch, you have to choose to have either a bright and colorful background with a monochrome black and white dustpan pour on top, or a monochrome background with a colorful pour on top. So let's get down to the table and see what we're going to do. Okay, for my pour today, I have chosen a 16 by 20 canvas. It's just a simple value pack canvas to try this with. My dustpan is not actually a dustpan, and I'll show you why. On a lot of dustpans, like this one, you have this big bump lip here, and that catches your paint and messes up what you're pouring out. What I have found works a little better than your standard dustpan is ye old garden spade, because it has a very smooth and flat surface. Now you can get dustpans that are like this. They're harder to find. This I got at my Home Depot. And yes, it does have the 3-foot handle on it, which I may cut off one of these days. But it has that perfect smooth surface with the raised sides that's not going to let my paint fall off the sides for me. So I'm going to set him to the side and let's go over the colors. So for my background, I've decided on the bright colors, and I'm going to put the black and white in the dustpan. So my colors are Amsterdam Permanent Blue Violet, Loft Metallic Cobalt Blue, Arteza Bordeaux Red, Loft, this is Iridescent Brilliant Gold. Oh no, Iridescent Bright Gold. Iridescent Bright Gold. Amsterdam Azo Orange. And then my black and white are Amsterdam Titanium White and Master's Touch Permanent Black. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get my big pour cup out. We're going to fill this up. We're going to pour our base. And once I've tilted and got my base all spread out, then we will pour on our dustpan, which I'm going to try and move out of the pour zone for a minute. So we'll make another pour cup in black and white, and we'll pour that on top. So let's get started. And I think what I'm going to do is just do like a traveling ring pour. Just to get these wonderful bright tones onto the canvas. Made these a little too thick, but we're moving slowly. Probably should have put some, let me get some thin paint to throw on the sides here. Hold on. What do I got here? Not as worried about these two corners because I'm going to run the other pour that direction, but I do need it to go at least over the sides and the other two corners. And hopefully I have enough paint to do the whole thing. I should. Just maybe slow. Okay, one more corner and we have it. Oh my. Okay, well that paint I used as my flow extender seems to be messing up my corners on me. I have to do something about that, but okay, I'm getting some weird results because of the flow extender paint. Getting some weird corners. I'm going to try and fix two of the corners. See what I can do to fix two of the corners, and then I'll just hope that the other pour fixes the others. See what I got left in my pour cup that I can possibly play with down here. I'm not sure what was in that paint. I thought that was just paint and water, but not the case. Beware what you use for your flow extender. Alright, so change of plan slightly. I'm just going to run from this corner to that corner, or that one to this one, whichever way, because of the funky stuff I used for my flow extender, which was not what I thought it was. Really should mark those bottles. I think we'll go from there to here. That would be an easier pull. And give this a quick torch. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is load up our cup. So here's our pour cup. And we're just going to alternate white and black. And we're going to get our dustpan. I'm going to put something under the back end of it to raise it up a bit, so it's a little flatter. And we're going to do our pour into our dustpan. I don't know, that white is getting taken over here. We'll see how it goes. All right, let me torch that just a little because I see a lot of bubbles in our pan. All right. Now let me get just a wee bit of paint. I just want to smear a little on this end here so we're not going on dry. And that way the design won't roll over itself coming off. And we're going to start, reach back over the canvas here. We're going to start at that end, we're going to pull to this end. That's the plan. We'll see how that works. Okay. Oh, I love how it's coming off in different locations and not all in the same. That's really cool. Oh, I screwed it up right there. Alright, I'm loving what it did up at this end. This got to be a drizzly mess, so I should have put more paint in the pan. So we're going to tilt that way for a second just to get that little bit on the edge there. Just to go over there. And then we're going to tilt towards that corner and pull some of this down. Oh, that's cool. All right, that's cool. It's more gray than black and white, but that's cool. Okay. All right, hang in there. I'll give you some wet results. Okay, I have checked all my edges. I wiped the bum. So this is where I tried to fix that one corner. But what I'm loving is this dustpan. Even though it got a little wonky at the end there and I had to stretch it, look at the lines. Oh, I hope this dries well, because look at the lines in this dustpan. And it contrasting with all those beautiful colors is just making me happy. Oh, I'm loving this. Okay, we're gonna let this baby dry and I will give you some dry results. Hang in there. Okay, we have the dry results on this and I'm so happy. It dried so well. Look at the lines in this. They're just amazing. I'm gonna go down this first, which came from my dustpan. I just love the way these lines built on here. They're so cool. And even though it's only black and white, there's a lot of gray, so it really is adding a whole lot to it. That is that, and then we go up. There's some beautiful dark colors and lines up here in this part. And then go down over here. More beautiful lines and colors down in this section. Oh, very, very pleased. Very pleased. Okay, if you enjoyed this, please give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell when you know what, so you know when I upload more videos. Now this is part of our Friday with Friends, Challenge or Be Challenged. Before me, you should have seen tonight's special guest. That is Kristy with Kreations by Kristy. After me is Janet with Acrylic Kreations by Jwittyat, followed by Betty with Oak by Betina. I hope you enjoy all the art tonight and our wonderful dustpan challenge. Have a wonderful weekend, everyone.